Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and it is December 1st, so that means we're going to look back on November and see how our dividends came through on our TFSA portfolio on Wealthsimple. Let's jump right into the app. I woke up this morning, woke up to one more dividend, which is nice to see at the end of the month. So we're in the 1st of December. We'll check back what we can do, see how we did. All right, here we are. We filtered through into our TFSA account in the activity section on the Wealthsimple app, and we can see our recent dividends for the month of November. So we've got a few coming in, $1.96 RNW, TransAlta Renewables. This one does pay monthly dividends, which is nice to see. Our Slate office REIT, $1.13. We don't have a ton of shares of this one, but it's starting to slowly grow. We're adding to that position. It's nice to get those monthly dividends. Even if it's $1.13 is better than nothing. VDY, this one is doing quite well, and I think the dividends with this one will come up. All the banks have started to announce that they're raising dividends after the pandemic, which is nice to see. A lot of them up 11%, so we should see some increases on this one hopefully by next month. But we did receive in VDY 328, and the last one, REI. That's our RioCan real estate REIT, $2 on that one. So not too bad. So a grand total for November is $8.37. Not as good as last month, but we just had the monthly dividends paying, not the ones that do pay quarterly. So some months will be better than others, but $8.37, we are going to invest that back in the TFSA. $8.37, that will keep in my balance. I'm probably going to do another deposit. I still have to do obviously my December deposit. We've been growing this portfolio slowly but surely. If you've been following along, you know the market is like, let's just say, let's call it choppy. I think we're in for a little bit of this up and downs until the end of the year, until things really start to hopefully settle down. Thanks for watching, everybody. There will be a update video later on this week, so if you aren't subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. You'll get notified of new videos, and you can follow on the journey from $0, which we started back in April, all the way to $100,000 on our Wealthsimple TFSA trade portfolio. Thanks so much. See you in the next video.